Good morning everyone, Osai here. So I'm going to teach you how to make fermented rice water. You're going to need 1 cup of rice. You're going to need a bottle of water. And you're going to also need rice that has already been cleansed and washed thoroughly. You'll also need a lid to cover your rice water. Begin pouring your bottled water over top of the rice. Once that step is complete, cover your rice water and make sure the lid is on securely and begin giving it a little swirl. In order to make fermented rice water, you need to let this sit for about a good 24 hours. Personally, I don't like to boil my rice because I feel like you lose all of the nutrients. I already had a batch that was complete, so I'm just going to show you what your rice water should look like. Please note that there is a smell with fermented rice water, but it's nothing that is overwhelming. So I just want to quickly show you guys how I like to enhance my rice water. It's really simple. You guys know I'm a simple girl, so you're only going to need 2 ingredients. You're just going to need your fermented rice water. Fill your cup about a little less than halfway. And then you're going to dilute your fermented rice water with aloe vera juice. And you're done. So I like to just put this in a spray bottle and spray my hair every single day and cover my head with a stocking cap, and I put my wig on. And that's it. That's how I keep my hair moisturized in the winter. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you soon. When it comes to your hair type, you should always foresee beauty.